Hey guys, get ready with me. So today is like an off day for me, so there's no work, there are no sessions to teach, there's absolutely nothing for me to do today other than I have to just run an errand. So guys, I wake up like twice. First time when I wake up is just because of the fact that I'm already used to waking up at a particular time. So when I wake up, I ease myself, I come back to bed and I sleep, and then I wake up proper. Let's say like extra 1 hour, 2 hours of sleep. Then usually when I wake up, I take slow, deep breathing and a small yoga on the bed, like just simple yoga stretches, because the previous days I usually filled with a lot of workout and all that. So I do not really work out on my off day. I just take it really slow. I stretch really well on the bed, no matter how short or how long it is. I just try to stretch as much as I can, including my toes. After this, I can begin to clean out or organize my room. Guys, living alone, I have like sometimes when I just have enough time to do all the things that I love to do, like opening my windows, taking it slow, making breakfast for myself, dressing my bed, and just doing the simplest things that usually when I'm going to work, I just wake up, run, and I'm off to class. But today is like a bit more slow. I can breathe, I can take everything slow. So usually after I finish airing the room by opening the windows, I usually make my bed, because I have this terrible habit when I'm working that I just wake up and I do not make my bed. So on days when I'm off, I take the extra time to make my bed, because it just makes the room look clean, it makes it look organized, and my spaces are a bit more organized. And I go straight to my devotionals. I use these 4 devotionals: Every Day with Jesus, Inspiring Women, and Rhapsody of Realities, and also Daily Manna. So because today there's no work except that I have an errand to run, I usually take my time to study my devotionals. I also take time to journal my to-do list, things I'm supposed to do the next day and things I'm supposed to do that particular day. Journaling just helps me to keep my things organized, and it helps me to see if I can achieve all my my target and my goals for the day. Next thing, I go straight to the bathroom. Guys, I'm a very local person. Even if I have a shower, I just prefer taking a bath with the bucket. So after that, shower, sheeting and all that, I get to look for a clothes to wear, because today there's not like gym, not gym clothes. Today I'm just going to wear a very nice 2-piece. As you can see, I'm always used to wearing gym clothes. So today is just this 2-piece, and I'm going to go back, make breakfast. But guys, while I was making breakfast, these NEPA people, they took the light, which is very unusual. But, sometimes they do take the light, but I know it was not going to last. So I decided to use my gas cooker to make breakfast. And I've been trying to eat more fiber-rich food like oats and cornflakes and all that, golden more, like things that have more fiber in them. And this delicious meal was made with honey. And guys, I'm already done with it. Like, guys, I enjoyed my breakfast. Went back to the kitchen to clean up, because when I come back from this errand, all I want to do is just sleep very well, instead of just having to start cleaning. So guys, I just cleaned my space, and while I was cleaning my space, I had like some leftover stew. I didn't want to start putting it in the fridge, so I just warmed it up. And now, guys, I'm getting ready with my son, my SPF and some cologne, and just to protect the sun, my skin from the sun, and also hydrate my hair with this coconut oil mixture. And with as a woman with dreadlocks, your hair needs water, so this is just one of it. And I have to brush my edges, because you guys, when you have like stubborn edges, you don't have like gel all the time. You just have to brush them to make them look really good. And guys, see the difference when you hydrate your hair and brush it. It looks so much different. And then guys, we're going on with some perfume. We have to smell good. We have to always smell good, and of course we have to also gloss up the lips and just make it look a little bit more. So just choosing bags. I want to go with the simple one, small, simple, cute, and that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed my get ready video for this off day, no yoga day, no nothing. Do tell me what you like about this video, and let me see if I can make more vlogs like this. Have a nice day, guys. I almost forgot my video. Bye.